Hi everyone, how are you today? And in this video tutorial, I have bring another question for you. And this question looks so special for you. And it's gonna be so much fun solving this one because it looks so big. So the first thing that I want you to focus on is solving the number inside the power of 8. And it looks so big. So now we just need to solve the inside first. So let's take this as b. So we just say let b equal to the whole expression here. So let's solve b first. Okay, so then we will get 2 plus square root of 3. Okay, so the main trick is that we need to multiply square root of 2 for the denominator, and then we need to multiply the numerator with square root of 2 as well. And the second term is also the same. Okay, so then for the first term, we just keep the numerator still the same. You can just multiply it or expand the numerator, but we don't have to. Okay, so then we're gonna expand the denominator, then we will get square root of 2 raised to square plus. So as you can see, we have square root of 2 and which is the same radical, so we put 2 into factor of 2 plus square root of 3. Okay, like this, and then plus for the second term here, we also do the same thing. And then keep going. So now we got square root of 2 raised to square, which is equal to 2, and then we multiply 2 into this factor, we will get 4 plus 2 square root of 3. Okay, and then plus with root of 2. So the numerator is still the same, and then the denominator we will get 4 minus 2 square root of 3. Okay, and then next, as I can say, the numerator is still the same for now. Okay, and then 2 plus, so 4 plus 2 square root of 3, which is can be written as square root of 3 plus 1 raised to square. Okay, and then plus square root of 2 minus, and here we get square root of 3 minus 1 raised to square, then equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 3, and then 2 plus square root of 3 plus 1 plus square root of 2 and then we get 2 minus square root of 3 and then plus 1. Okay, and then equal to square root of 2 factor, which is still the same. Okay, and then we get 3 plus square root of 3 and then plus square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Okay, and then 3 minus square root of 3. So now we have to find the common denominator, then which is the common denominator of these two fractions will be these two factors. Okay, so then we will get square root of 2 factor 2 plus square root of 3 and then multiply with 3 minus square root of 3. Okay, and then this we multiply to this and this multiply to this, then we will get square root of 2 factor 2 minus square root of 3 and then multiply with 3 plus square root of 3 and then all over 3 plus square root of 3 and then multiply with 3 minus square root of 3. Okay, so now we need to expand the numerator. We keep square root of 2 first and then we take 2 times with 3, which is 6, minus 2 square root of 3, and then plus 3 square root of 3, and then minus square root of 3 raised to square, okay, and then plus square root of 2. Now we have to expand these two factors. Then we will get 6 plus 2 square root of 3, and then minus 3 square root of 3, and then minus square root of 3 raised to square, okay, and then all over 3 square minus square root of 3 raised to square. Okay, then we will get, so here we have square root of 2, and then for this factor we will get 3 plus square root of 3, and then plus square root of 2. So for this factor here we will get 3 minus square root of 3, and then all over 9 minus 3, okay, and then equal to, so now we get 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 6, and then plus 3 square root of 2 minus square root of 6, all over 6, and then equal to 6 square root of 2 over 6, then equal to square root of 2, okay. So now finally we have found that the expression b, which is equal to square root of 2, but the expression a, which is equal to b raised to the power a, so then we will get square root of 2 raised to power a, then that will be 2, we use the formula like this, we will get m over n, okay, so this is square root, so we will get 8 over 2, then we will get 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 16, so therefore a is equal to 16. And now I have solved this problem, and I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye, see you in the next video.